Monarch Money is a personal finance app designed to help users manage their money, set goals, and gain insights into their financial health. Here's how to use Monarch Money effectively. Create an account and link financial accounts. Start by creating an account on Monarch Money's website or app. Once registered, link your bank accounts, credit cards, investment accounts, loans, and other financial accounts. Monarch securely syncs and aggregates these accounts to provide a complete financial view. Track spending and budgets. Monarch automatically categorizes transactions, allowing you to track spending across various categories, such as groceries, dining, and travel. You can customize categories to reflect your lifestyle and set monthly budgets for each category. Monarch notifies you when you're close to reaching budget limits, promoting mindful spending. Set financial goals. Define personal finance goals, like saving for a down payment or building an emergency fund. Monarch's goal tracking feature shows you progress over time, helping you stay motivated and make adjustments if needed. Use financial planning tools and reports. Monarch offers robust planning tools for retirement, debt reduction, and net worth tracking. Use these tools to visualize your financial trajectory with customizable reports and projections. Monitor regularly. Regularly review your dashboard to track progress, adjust goals, and maintain control over your finances. Monarch's real-time updates and insights make it easy to stay on top of your financial health.